What if I told you that your dream life is closer than you think? That you don't need a six-figure salary, a trust fund, or an expensive college degree to build the wealth you've always wanted? In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you how Mike went from broke and overwhelmed to financially free. But here's the twist. You won't need to wait years to see change. Your journey begins right now. Let's start at the beginning, where the story always starts. The struggle. Mike might have been feeling exactly how you feel now, overwhelmed by debt, stuck in a job that doesn't pay enough, and constantly chasing an elusive dream of financial freedom. Mike was 24, barely making ends meet. Credit card bills? Check. Student loans? Check. No savings? Big check. And worst of all, he felt trapped, like a hamster running on a wheel, working, but getting nowhere. He'd scroll through social media and see people living the dream, vacations, luxury cars, exotic dinners. They made it seem so easy, but it felt like a distant reality. Maybe you're thinking, that's for other people, not for me. Believe me, Mike thought the same thing. How's your bank account looking right now? Do you see a couple zeros? Or maybe a negative sign? Don't worry, that was Mike too. The only zeros he had were in his balance, not his income. But here's the thing, something had to change, and that's exactly what happened. One night, Mike hit a breaking point. He was lying in bed, feeling hopeless, when it hit him. What if I just started taking control? So, he decided to make a change, no matter how small. He started with the basic, budgeting, tracking expenses, cutting back on useless spending. You don't need to make a ton of money to start building wealth. You just need to manage the money you have. It was scary at first, admitting to himself that he had to change his habit, but the excitement of taking control was greater than the fear. Fast forward to today. Mike is no longer drowning in debt. He's actively saving and investing. He's building wealth. But the most important thing he learned, it wasn't about the money. It was about the mindset, the ability to believe that he could do it. Now, Mike doesn't have to check his bank account with anxiety. Instead, he checks it with excitement, knowing that his hard work is paying off. But here's the thing, you're just getting started. The journey from zero to millionaire is long, and Mike's not stopping here. Want to know what happens next? Stick around because you don't want to miss this. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button. Join Mike as he breaks down the steps he took to go from struggling with bills to building a thriving financial future. Remember, this is your story too. You don't have to wait for the right moment because the right moment is now. Let's turn this dream into your reality.